All right, so you're welcome again. You're welcome. So today's hamster daily combo, as usual, we can find it right where it is. Okay, I've not unlocked mine yet. We'll come to that later. But today we're having like a special code to crack, which is a daily cipher. That's an extra coin that was given to us by the hamster team, but you need a special technique to actually gain access to that 1 million coins. All right, now this is not the usual daily combo that you just look for cards and buy and boom, you've gotten your 5 million. This one, yes, it's 1 million, but you really need to like crack some codes, and if you do not have the code, you're not getting the 1 million. Okay, so quickly, the first thing you're to do is to access this code. As you can see, the home page, nothing is showing, right? So first of all, we need to change this home page into the daily cipher page so that we can start with the code cracking. So first thing first, you come over to your N per tap, all right? N per tap. Tap on it 3 times, please. You tap on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Are you seeing it? Okay, so once you have tapped on it 3 times, you see that everything has changed. Like you have your daily cipher, and here is our 1 mil coins. Okay, so how do we go about cracking this code? The code is BTC. So to unlock each of these letters, to unlock B, to unlock T, to unlock C. Let's quickly begin with the B. Now, for the B, you're going to be long pressing. You will long press once and tap 3 times. Okay? You long press once and tap 3 times. So you just place one finger on the screen there where this handsome dude is standing. You just place your hand just within, let's say, a second. That is your long press. Just within a second. Then you tap 3 times. So let's quickly do it. All right? Long press, 1, 2, 3. Tap 3 times and your B is out. So the next one we're going to be doing is the T. Now for the T is just a long press and that's it. So let's do it. Now I'm putting my hands on the screen already. I'm long pressing and T is out. The last one is C. We're going to be doing a long press, a tap, a long press, a tap. I take it again. We're going to long press, tap once, long press, tap once. Then the C is going to come out. So let's quickly do that. We're going to long press, tap, long press, tap. And our C is out. Voila! Did you see that? Did you see that? All right, so let's just take our price. Yeah. So please, this is how you're going to be getting this 1 million, okay? It's a special technique that these people are bringing to us. We don't know the one they'll be bringing tomorrow, but this is today's cipher code cracking technique, all right? BTC, okay? So just, if you didn't get it, watch the video again. Listen and follow. You will get it. Good luck.